Do you want to learn how to use Veo 2 by Google AI Studio? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So currently I'm on aistudio.google.com, and this is where you can access Veo 2. And I'm on Opera. With Opera, you can have this VPN that is built right inside Opera. So you can get access to Veo 2 if you select Americas here and click on this button to get the VPN enabled. Now on here, on the left hand side, click on Video Gen. Next, you also need Google Gemini plan enabled, which I'm going to show you on screen. So this is how it looks like. You just need the free trial of Gemini Advanced in order for this to work. It could be 2 months free trial for you. In my case, it was 1 month free trial. And once you've got the plan enabled, you need to go here on aistudio.google.com, and then you can go to Video Gen, and you'll be able to access Veo 2. So here in Generate Videos with Veo, you can describe your video. You can also give it an image. So it's going to generate a video based on that image. So like here, I can animate an image. So I need to give it an image like this, and it's going to animate it like that. Same as here. Or you can also give it a simple prompt in order to generate something from scratch. So what I'm going to do is go over to Whisk. So this is labs.google.com/fx/tools/wix. This is an AI image generator. So you can just describe an idea here, or you can also click on this button to generate a random prompt like this. So I'm going to click on this, and let's do it one more time. And I like this one. Let's click on this button to generate an image. So here you go, and we've got these two images. I like this one. So I'm going to click on animate. So they have this Veo 2 video generator inside Whisk. But the problem is, if I click on this, there are 0 generations available, which could be because I'm using a VPN in order to access Veo 2 or Whisk, because it's not available in my country. If you want to just animate this, you can click on this button to download it to your computer, and then go over to Google AI Studio, and you'll be able to access the Veo 2 over here. So you can click on Video Gen, and for the run settings, just click on Veo 2. For the number of results, you can select up to 2, but I'm going to keep it 1. You can change the aspect ratio if you want to keep it a long form or short form shorts content. Now, video duration, it is up to 8 seconds, can be 5 seconds to 8 seconds. There's frame rate, which is coming soon. You cannot change it currently. There's negative prompt. You can also put them here. Now on here, I'm going to click on this button, which looks like an image icon. So click on it. Now you can upload an image from your Google Drive, or upload an image directly. Or if you have got a camera set up, you want to take an image from there, you can do so. There's a sample media as well. So you can click on it and get all these sample images that is inside Google AI Studio. So I'm going to click on upload image, and here's the downloaded one. Let's click on it. Now inside this prompt section, you can type in a description for this, but in my case, I'm just going to click on run. Okay, here you go. The video is generated. In my case, I was trying to get this one animated, but the second one got animated, and take a look at it. All right, looks good. Let's try one more. Let's go over to Video Gen. Let's do a clear chat from here. Let's describe it a random video prompt and see what it generates from there. So I'm going to go over to Whisk first and click on this to get us a sample prompt from here, like this one. And I'm going to copy this, go over here and describe your video. And instead of this prompt, I'm going to type in generate a video on a Viking ship that is sailing through a stormy sea at dusk. And all the other prompt details are here. Let's click on run, and the video is generated. Let's take a look at it. That looks nice. Okay, let's close it. You can also download this to your computer by clicking on those 3 dots and downloading it. Or you can also go over here in the main window and download it from here. You can also export it to a drive, Google Drive. And that's it. That's how to use Veo 2 by Google AI Studio. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more AI tutorials and more Google tutorials. So see you there, and bye for now.